To create Facebook ads, you need to have a Facebook page. So if you do not already have a Facebook page, this is how you can create a Facebook page. So first you need to have a Facebook account. So you sign into your Facebook account, and from your profile, you scroll down here where you see pages. You can equally see this on your mobile app. So you want to click on pages. So from here, you are going to see all the pages that you manage, but you want to click here where it says create a new page. So you click on create a new page. So this is where you name your page. You can name your page whatever you want. So let me just, let me call it this. And then the category of your page. So let's say your page is a marketing page or whatever it is. So let me just say internet marketing services or advertising and marketing. So you select your own category, and then you can write a bio. This is completely optional. You can write, say, we are, now you come right here. We are the advertising people. So you basically click on create a page, and your page should be created immediately. So your page has been created. You can add a contact, you can add a website if you have one, you can add a phone number, an email. You can just come here, click on next. You need to add a profile picture so that you appear like a reliable somebody. So you can come here, click, and maybe just find a logo or something you can use. So let me just look for something I can use here. So I just selected the logo. You can add a cover photo, so your cover photo can tell people more about what you want to do or what your page is about. So I'm just going to click on this. So you can design this specially, but I'm just going to find something I'm just going to put. So I will have to edit this later. So I'm just going to put this. All right. So I'm just going to use this one, and our page is basically ready to go. So we want to create a few contents. So this is now our page. So you can click on next, and then you can connect your page to WhatsApp if you want. So I'm just going to skip that part. You can also invite your friends if you want, but I'm going to go to the next phase. You can turn on notifications, marketing promotionals if you want, and then you click on done. So now this is now our page. Our page is now ready, and you can start making posts on this page. You can edit every other thing later, and now you can use your page for marketing. So this is basically how you create a Facebook business page.